Okay, so this is our part 2, no? Our Baguio Museum tour for today. Dahil sa tahul ako ng tahul, kinat muna natin yung nauna nating video. So this is the 3rd floor, no? I already showed you the 1st and 2nd floor. Ay naku, pasensya na kayo. What's that? Naku, sorry. So this is the 3rd floor. Where is the comfort room? Are you done?
Mommy, how was your vlog?
I kept on coughing. It's really hard for me to vlog.
Mami. Masabi mo yung mami daw.
Oo nga. Nabawal daw makunan. Asan na? Nasa tamang landas ba tayo?
Dito nasa pinakababa yung mami.
Oo nga.
Did you CR na?
Naghahanap nga kami ng CR eh. Nahihirapan ako mag-vlog. My goodness. Tahol ako ng tahol. Are you done with your vlog, Sherben? I mean, with your assignment?
Ito maganda bro. Makikita mo yung history ng Baguio.
Nandito lahat. Including the people behind.
Pictures of old Session Road downstairs.
Yan bro, pinaka-aral ng session bro. Makita ko dito. Wala pa kahit isang video.
Earliest picture of Session Road. Galing ah.
Wala pang ano-ano, no?
Wala pang traffic.
Ngayon, wala ka naman mapagparkan.
Rough road.
Very interesting talaga.
Palagay ko sa baba yung Simon, the mommy.
We can ask the people. I want
And
to
then,
ask them for
including
this year.
the comfort room.
I'll come back here. I want to...
Ano? Dapat ngayon na, habang walang tao. Shorebine. Baba tayo. So this is the 1st floor. And that one is the entrance. Ayun, sa baba. Okay. Oh. Wow. I think this is the basement and the final floor.
I've been here. I don't see the map.
Ayun yung CR, oh. Simon, oh. Sige, mag-CR ka muna. This is the teacher cup. Ganda ng Session Road before, oh. Wala pang traffic. Wow, look at this one. Mechanical calculator. Alam nyo, pag pumupunta ako sa iba't ibang bansa, ang lagi kong pinupunta ang una is mga museum. You can see them all here in my YouTube channel. And this is the Session Road ng unang panahon, no? Ngayon, grabe na ang traffic. Progressing. Okay, that would be all for our part 2 ng ating Baguio Museum tour. Ayun. Thank you so much for watching again. Pasensya na po kayo at ako po ay tahol ng tahol. Dahil until now po tayo po ay may sakit. Ayan, thank you so much everyone for joining my family today for today's vlog, Baguio Museum Tour. Hindi ko na po ito i-edit. Diretso upload na po ito at least. Okay, you say thank you to my YouTube family.
Thank you, YouTube family. Oh, Mommy, did you see this already?
Yep, it's a mechanical calculator. Alright, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Until our next vlog. Bye!